missing all the fun.
Hey man, what's up, dude?
You
I'm
guys
an assassin, dude.
You guys are missing all the fun.
Yeah, we just jumped in the water half an hour ago.
No, yeah, it's like we're fighting
right
the
now.
Argo.
We're in a canoe.
We're in a canoe and we just jumped in.
Lori, don't talk, Starlight.
We're in the middle of no man's land.
What are you doing here?
We're fishing. We're having no luck finding fish.
Look at that.
Rico, don't go. You're only standing.
Hey, Nani, don't stand.
Ow.
Okay, what do you think about Mahesh uncle?
He looks like Saif Ali Khan a little.
Really? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Why do you think he's like a Saif Ali Khan? Not even close.
It's true. From my imagination, Saif Ali Khan and Mahesh Uncle look kind of like the same.